Clicking noises, are they?
The clicking noises of your hips and your knees?
Is that normal?
Yeah, it is. It's
Okay.
fine. No problem.
The dislocation is, that's okay?
The dislocation in my hip? Yeah, that's good. We're good. All right, Chris, are you ready? I'm gonna take you through a little power booty burnout.
Okay, let's
You
go.
ready?
I think
So
I'm ready.
we have our resistant bands above our knee. We are gonna start kicking back with our right leg, and we are really gonna squeeze that glute, okay? Let's take it to the left side so we're not off balance here. We don't have one booty bigger than the other, one booty cheek.
I mean, if my cake ends up looking as big as yours, I'll be happy with that. You reckon that's possible in one session?
I think we can, just one session. I think we can make that happen.
You want good hair?
Come on.
Then you'll give me.
Yeah, if you want good hair, you want a good booty, we gotta put in that work. Hold it and pulse. 1, 2, 3.
There's going to be
4,
too many memes.
5, 6, 7, 8. So
I feel the burn.
I feel the burn in my cake.
You say you feel the burn in your ponytail?
In my ponytail.
I feel the burn in my leg. 10. Did it.
Good job.
Killed it.
Come on, power booty.
You killed me. Give me this.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's my turn. Let's go do your hair.
Okay. Okay, I love this look you did on me. I love that good snatched ponytail. But is there anything I can do to transition into an evening look? Like something that could be quick?
Yeah, so basically from the gym into a nighttime do without doing too much. I've got the perfect style for you. You know, my go-to would just be like a really hot half up, half down. I would keep all of this at the front because that's where you got all the detail with the baby hairs, it's snatched.
Yeah.
But I'd take the back out and make it look a bit more glam.
Okay.
You want to do it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So what I'm going to do is we took the ponytail out. I'm just going to separate from above the ears to the crown your hair because that's going to go back into the ponytail. So I'm not even going to bother brushing that out. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put a bit more of a wave in the back of your hair. This is my go-to. I'm quite often in situations where I have to transform texture of hair in like a minute. You know, literally have 30 seconds to change hair. This cream you put through the hair on dry hair and it will transform the texture. I usually hit it with heat super quick. It gives you glossy, sexy hair. Doesn't matter if you've had your hair in a ponytail and you've got that awkward kink or if it's just looking dry and frizzy. Whack it through, blow it out, and you get really bouncy hair. I'm gonna use a section of your hair from the pony. It's just like a little ratty from the pony. So just a small amount of the cream, rub it in your hands. I'm gonna put it through on dry hair, and then like I say, what I normally do is just hit it with heat. I'm gonna use a tangle teaser just to get these tangles out. Tangle teasers are great on hair just to kind of give it a bit of love. I know you're trying to look after your hair.
Yeah.
I mean, do you know what's really, really interesting is even just by doing that,
Wow.
you see the texture, how it starts to change and transform the hair. You see
already
the
looks
gloss.
so much better.
It starts to calm it down. I like to hit it with heat because it kind of melts in and gives it a real smooth finish. So I just grab a brush, keep it easy, and just put some heat on it. Honestly though, I know you like, you're a mom. You're a mom?
I'm a mom, yeah.
I know you're a mom, and I know you like to keep it super quick and easy.
Yeah.
So honestly, you don't even need to use the heat. But if you just put that cream through your hair, it doesn't make the hair greasy or sticky, it just transforms it. Literally says what it does, you know.
Love that. And what's it called?
1 minute transformation.
Ooh. Yeah, it already feels so nice.
Okay, so we've finished that. So I put the transformation throughout the whole hair, and you can see now the hair's kind of freshened up.
Ooh.
It looks bouncy, it's got a nice kind of movement to it. You like that?
I love it.
Okay, cool. So now we're just gonna finish off the top.
Okay.
Now, we've already got everything going on, honestly, with kind of what we did earlier. So all I'm gonna do is just go over the top. I've added a little bit of water just to kind of bring back a bit of the magic and reactivate the product.
Not so clean.
Oh, not so clean. You're
Wow. I'm so obsessed with this look.
You look hot. And it's like really quick and
great.
easy to do. And I'd probably just like add a little bit of a detail. You could wrap a bit of hair around the ponytail. So at this point, instead of like putting a pin in here, because by now your head's gonna be hurting like all the ponytails, I usually just use the product. So I use a good amount of the hairspray. This is the cool favorite. The reason I use this rather than a bobby pin is simply because bobby pins are just gonna hurt your head at this point, you know, especially when you've got like everything on top of your head in one particular point. So let the product do the work for you. Give it a good blast of hairspray, hair dryer, and it's not going to move all night. Like that's going to be like dance proof, swing proof, date proof, workout proof.
This is mommy proof.
Mommy proof, yeah,
Penny.
exactly. You know what? You look good with big hair.
You know what? You look good with a big booty.
Perfect duo.
Yep. Dream team.